ready to automate your social media growth and engagement on autopilot. First, head over to somiibo.com and create an account. It's completely free to get started. Click the register button at the top right of the screen. Fill out the registration form with your desired username, email address, and a strong password. Then agree to the terms of service and privacy policy. Finally, click Register to create your new Somiibo account. Once registered, you'll be taken to your Somiibo Dashboard. This is your control center for all your social media automation. On the left, you'll see a list of supported platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and more. Let's set up Instagram for example. Click on the Instagram module. Now, you will need to connect your account. Enter your Instagram username and password, then click Login. Somiibo securely connects to your account to perform automated actions. Now, you can configure the module settings. Define your target audience by using the hashtags. Then, choose your automation settings and set the speed you want to use for likes, follows, and comments. Simply click Start Module to activate the automation. Somiibo will now begin engaging with your target audience on Instagram, growing your account automatically. Check the dashboard to monitor your modules and see the results. Somiibo is now doing the work for you, even while you sleep.